Welcome to the hearts of Kuala Lumpur. Today, we're exploring the vibrant streets of Chinatown, one of the city's most famous cultural destinations. As we walk through Petaling Street, you'll find colorful shops, delicious local street food, souvenirs, and the lively atmosphere that makes this place a favorite for both locals and tourists. Just a short walk away stands the magnificent Sri Maha Mariamman Temple, the oldest Hindu temple in Kuala Lumpur. Its beautifully decorated entrance and intricate sculptures make it one of the city's most iconic landmarks. Chinatown Kuala Lumpur perfectly blends history, culture, food, and architecture into one unforgettable experience. If you're planning a trip to Malaysia, don't miss this incredible destination. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more travel adventures.